Hello and welcome to the next video of Section 4, Testing and Diagnosis. In this video, we'll learn more about testing and diagnosis. With practically all games, you'll need to spend considerable time testing and debugging heavily to reduce bugs and errors as much as humanly possible. With this sample program, very little debugging and testing has been required by you, but that's not because the game is simple. It's because I've already pre-checked and pre-tested most of the code and functionality before presenting the material to you in this video, ensuring that you get a smooth learning experience. For your own projects, however, you'll need to do lots of testing. One way to get started is using the Stats panel. To open this, click on the Stats button on the Game tab. Another debugging tool is the Profiler. This is useful when the Stats panel has already helped you identify a general problem, such as a low FPS, and you want to dig deeper to find where the problem might be located. To access the Profiler tool, select Window, Profiler from the Application menu. This displays the Profiler window. With the Profiler window open, click on Play on the toolbar to play test your game. When you do this, the Profiler window fills with color-coded performance data in a graph. Green represents the performance of rendering graphical data. Reading and understanding the graph requires some experience, but as a general rule, watch out for mountains and peaks. That is, watch out for sharp fluctuations in the graph, sharp ups and downs, as this could indicate a problem, especially when it roughly coincides with a frame rate drop. If you want to investigate further, simply pause the game. Then click on the graph. The horizontal axis, x-axis, represents the most recent frames, and the vertical axis represents workload. When you click in the graph, a line marker is added to indicate the frame under investigation. Beneath the graph, a list of all main processes for that frame are presented, typically ordered from top to bottom by the heaviness of their workload, and proportion of frame wait time for the processor counted. Heavier processes are listed at the top. Great! We have successfully tested and diagnosed our game. In the next video, we'll learn about building.